Good morning. I am Dr.A.Karthika, Assistant Professor of Microbiology Department. In this video, we are going to see about the Mobile Forensic Laboratory. Mobile Forensic Laboratory, it is a specialized vehicle or unit equipped with the necessary tools and equipments for conducting the forensic investigations at various locations. It is a laboratory which is commonly used by the law enforcement agencies, government organizations and other entities involved in the criminal investigation. This mobile forensic laboratory is typically hosted with specialized output vehicles such as van or any autos or trailers to provide a controlled and secured environment for forensic work. It should be contamination free and should contain all the equipments and tools for the criminal investigations. The mobile forensic laboratory should be contains various equipments and forensic tools to perform the criminal investigation. This might include the fingerprinting equipments. This fingerprinting equipments is used to capturing and analyzes the fingerprints that were identified in the crime scenes. Then digital forensic tools, it should contain well equipped softwares and hardware tools like in the computers and the mobiles for analyzing digital and electronic evidences that collected in the crime scenes. And chemical analysis equipments, it should also contain the well equipments for analyzing the drugs, explosives and other toxic materials identified in the chemical criminal scenes. Then DNA analysis equipments, the laboratory should also contain DNA equipments for DNA sample analysis like the PCR and the genetic molecular equipments. And then microscopy and imaging, it also contains the equipments for analyzing the fibers, hairs and nails that are collected from the crime scenes. Ballistics and firearm analysis is also equipment is needed for the mobile forensic laboratory for analyzing the gunshots and the ballistics that are collected in the crime scenes. Then evidence collections and packaging supplies, all the collected evidence should be kept free contaminated in the packaged and preserved in the -2 degrees Celsius in the free contamination manner. So this laboratory equipments should be needed in the forensic lab. Then safety and contamination control, the mobile forensic laboratory should be measured to the place to prevent the cross contamination of evidences and to ensure the safety of the personnel working in the unit. It should be a safety and from free contamination in order to preserve the cross contamination of the evidences. Power and connectivity, the mobile forensic laboratory should be contain the free supply and continued supply of the current and internet connectivity in order to give the appropriate support to the use of data and the electronic equipments. Sample storage, the laboratory should contain adequate storage area for the collected samples and evidences with proper pH and temperature is necessary. Workstation and analysis area, the mobile forensic laboratory should be designated with the workstations of different forensic analysis and each equipped with the necessary tools and equipments needed for the analysis. Next, documentation and reporting. The mobile forensic laboratory should contain a system for documenting and reporting findings, including the well equipped computers and the softwares for the case management studies. Training and expertise. This laboratory should contain the highly trained forensic experts with skilled using in the equipments and conducting analysis in the crucial for accurate and reliable manner. Legal and ethical consideration. The mobile forensic laboratory also adhere to the legal and ethical standards for evidence collection, handling and analysis in the paramount. The day-to-day custody and case management study is also very important in the analysis. Mobility and adaptability. The mobile forensic laboratory should be designed to the mobile, which means in the movement with the consideration of transport setup and operations in the various environments where the crime scenes are investigated. Next, communication. The laboratory should be contains a well equipped communications to connect with the central forensic labs and law enforcement agencies in order to transfer the reports and documentations to the government and non-government organizations. So conclusion, overall forensic laboratories plays a vital role in the expanding investigation, especially in the remote or the time sensitive situation. However, they must well designed equipments and operated by trained professionals to ensure the accuracy and integrity of the forensic analysis. Thank you for watching this video.